Hello. Okay, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training. So, as we have discussed in our last class, the new syntax, which is inline declaration, we have seen in our last session. Okay, how can we replace the code? We have seen the select query, how to fetch the select query using how to select the data, how to fetch the data using inline declaration. Okay, we have seen the features of classical web coding. Okay, so today we will see a short example of how can we fetch the common entries from Mara and MAKT table using inline declaration. Okay, so let's get started. So let me log into my Eclipse. One second. Okay. So this is a program which we have seen in our last class. So we will see how can we use for roll entries, okay, and how can we use the inner join. Okay, so let's create the new program. Directly right click and click on new other program. So I will give it as a V for all entries. It's ZK tutorials, ZK for all entries using inline declaration. I will click on finish. It will create my program. So okay, and guys, same thing we can also do in our backend, which is GUI system. We can also do. So the shortcode for open the SAP GUI is Control 6. We can directly open. Click on OK. Okay, and it's open. It will open my GUI. You can go to any support as we have shown you in the last session. Okay, so firstly, what we will do, like look, previously what we have to do is we have to declare the internal table. Sorry, first we have to declare the structure of Mara, then we have to declare the structure of MAKT, then we have to declare the structure of final internal table. Final means which will contain both the data, both the fields of MR and MAKT table. Then we used to create the internal table of all the tables. Then we used to create the work area for all the tables. But what we will do after inline declaration, we can directly do. Look, if I want to fetch the data from Mara table, okay. So let me write here fetch entries from Mara table. I will do select. I will give my fields name, MATLAB, comma, AR name, MTRD, which is metal type, MATKL, from Mara into table at the rate data WD Mara. That's all. So if I will, okay, this is all. That's all. We fetch the entries of Mara table into our internal table WD Mara. Okay, is this clear? So what I will do, I can pass the entries of MAKT table. Okay, on based of Mara table. And guys, here we can also write the same select query. In how we can write this same select query using select from Mara. Okay, field. If we don't know the field, I will do control space. All the field suggestion will come here. I will use the MATLAB. I will give the AR name. I will give the MTRT. I will give the MATKL from Mara into table WT Mara 1. Okay, that's the rate data, new select query. Okay, what is the difference? There is no difference. The bot will do the same work. One second, what is this saying? Okay, from Mara, sorry, this we don't have to write here because we have already written this. Nothing. The difference between this and this is if you will give the control space here, my field's name will not come. Okay, it will not suggest me. Look, it's not suggesting me my field's name. But if I will give from Mara in the beginning, it will give by the field's name. Okay, 1 minute. So this is how also we can fetch the entries from Mara table. Okay, so we will comment this as of now. And what we will do, let's fetch the entries from MAKTV table on base of Mara table. Okay, select MF and our MAKT. First we will pass as the SPRS, then we will pass the MAKTX, then we will pass the MAKTG from MAKT into table. And this is our at the rate data in WP Mara. Okay, for all entries in Look, whenever we will use any other variable or internal table in our table, we have to use the at the rate. If we are using new syntax or so where it was here, what we will do here, we will give our look what I was telling you is whenever we will use any variable or any internal table into our select query, if we are using if we are using inline declaration, at the time we have to use at the rate at every time. Okay, WT Mara, yeah, which is MAT, and it will fetch the entries from Mara table on base of which it will fetch the what is saying. Saying the WT Mara. Okay, sorry guys. Here we have to give the MAKT. Okay, so this is clear. Yeah. So MAKT. Now what we have to do is what we used to do is we have to move all the data into our final internal table. But guys, for that final internal table, whenever we are using this, we have to declare our structure and internal table also. Okay, declare internal structure, which is let's create quickly types. Okay, one second, let me declare this. Right. So I've created the final structure here of which is having all the fields of MR and MAKT. Okay. So let's declare the internal table. Okay. Data WT final rectangle divide final WF final by final. Okay. Okay. So clear. Now what we will do, we will go here and we will pass the entries to the final internal table. This is all the stuff. But here the thing is, how can we declare the in work area of type internal table, which I have shown in the last class, loop at WT Mara into data WA Mara. So guys, we have to use this at the rate only in the select statement. Okay, I will low end this and what I will do, I will move the entries of WA Mara, WA final. Okay. Now, what you have to do is we have to move the MAKT entries also to the final. I will do read table WT MAKT into same data WA Mara. So here, what is this WA Mara is of sorry WA MAKT is of type WT MAKT. Same thing, whatever we were doing here, we are doing just in the single line, guys. Only in the single line we are doing this. Okay. So what we will do with key right now to WA Mara right now. Okay. Same. I will write the if statement as the bar c equal to 0 and if I will move my corresponding of WA and make it to WA final. Okay. Now I will append these entries there only. Okay. And clear. And we can clear these Bulgarian also WA Mara. Can clear this WA MAKT. Okay guys, same path. What you will do? I will print this. Let's try this CL demo output. I choose our display. WT final. I will save this. I will check this and I will activate it. Right click, run as a web application. So you can see it will just fetch all the entries of our from Amara and MAKT tables. So this is how we can use our inline declaration concept over here. Okay, so this clear everyone, and we will see some more new syntax in our next session. Okay, yeah, thank you. That's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.